Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jagmeet Kaur, and in this video we are going to discuss how to convert one page type into another page type. So let's understand this. For example, I'm on the home page. If I expand this one, so I'm having different pages. Okay. So if I hover on the home page, you will be able to see home, content reference, and the type of the page. So the page type here is the home. If I hover on any other item, say the services, or the charity, so it's a standard page type. If I hover over the insights, it's a landing page type. So they belong to the different page types. Okay, page type is nothing but the layout which contains all the components in it. So say I have a requirement, I no longer want the standard page types. I want all pages to look like landing page. So what I need to do is I need to go to the settings. Under the settings, you will be able to find these options and go to the convert pages. In the convert pages, you need to select the root or the page that you want to convert. Say I want to change the home page type. Existing page type of the home will appear here, and the page type in which you want to convert this page, you need to select here. For example, if you see here, so this drop down will give you all set of options that you can select it from. So this is a home page. So it is of type start page. So I want to convert this into the landing page, let's say. Okay. So the next list of items are the components or the blocks on start page. So it asked what you need to do for these components which were present on the start page. So there are a couple of options here. For example, you want to remove this from the page, like new page, or you can just switch it with another component that may be present on the landing page. So these are the two options that you can do. You can remove it or switch with the other component or the data from that component. Okay. And then click on the convert, and you will be able to just within a few seconds you will be able to convert the page into one type to another. And also, if you see under the page, you will be able to see this checkbox which says convert the selected page and all the sub pages. So this will convert, if you select this it will convert all the pages that lies under this one. Okay. So if you don't select this is by default, it is like, so you are converting the single page only. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are interested in more videos on Optimizely, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.